Are you looking for the best above-ground pools? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best above-ground pools on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Intex Rectangular Ultra XTR Frame Above-Ground Pool. The Intex Ultra XTR takes our best overall slot because it offers all the right features you want in an above-ground pool. It's available in 3 sizes to accommodate your property, and the rectangular shape is great for swimming laps. It's also relatively easy to assemble, and doesn't require expert installation or even tools thanks to its snap-together design, though you'll need to prepare the installation site by leveling, clearing, and compacting the ground. The package includes all the essentials for a complete above-ground pool setup, including a ground cover, ladder, pump, and pool cover. The sand filter pump works reliably at a flow rate of 1,600 gallons per hour, which is enough to keep it clean. The pool itself is highly durable, weatherproof, and rust-resistant, plus has a 2-year warranty on the frame and liner. The included ladder could be a bit more stable, and many long-time owners report upgrading it at some point. Beyond that, this is an outstanding pool that will hold up through many seasons of fun in the sun. Number 2. Intex Metal Frame Above-Ground Pool. For a budget-friendly option, this pool from Intex is great. In all the ways that matter, it's very similar to our best overall pick in that it's highly durable and exceedingly easy to assemble. It's small enough to fit in most yards but large enough to accommodate a handful of kids and adults. It also comes with a pump, which is rare at this price point. The pump cycles 530 gallons per hour, which is plenty for a pool this size, and has a ground fault circuit interrupter which cuts the power if the electrical current encounters water. The power cable is short, so the pool must be positioned near an electrical source. Also, you'll need a level, cleared, compacted space for it, but beyond that, it's simple to assemble and maintain. It fills significantly faster than larger pools, roughly 6 hours compared to the 15 or more necessary to fill a larger pool, which is a plus when you're changing the water or setting up for summer. Number 3. Bestway Steel Pro Max Above Ground Pool. Most pools under $500 are going to be pretty small, but that's not an issue with the Bestway Steel Pro Max Above Ground Pool set. At 15 feet by 74 inches, holding just shy of 4,000 gallons, that's plenty of pool for the price. What's more, it assembles easily and sturdily thanks to the company's no tools required frame link system, though they do recommend having a helping hand, and its 3-ply liner is durable enough to hold up through years of use. The pool also comes with all the key accessories, including a pump, filter, ladder, and cover. The pump is rated at 1,000 gallons per hour, which is more than enough for a pool this size. A handful of owners have reported difficulty attaching the pump hose to the pool, resulting in leakage, but by most accounts, the customer service is reliable when issues do arise. The same model can be obtained in larger or smaller sizes, but for an outstanding balance of price to square footage, the 15 feet x 42 inches model is our pick. Number 4. Toysical Inflatable Pool. A full-sized pool isn't the safest idea for kids under 10, but this inflatable pool from Toysical is the next best thing. While its 22-inch stature is low enough for kids to play safely, it's also tall enough that an adult can sit and cool off. It can hold up to 2 parents and 3 or 4 children, so it's the perfect size for a family. It's also compact enough that it won't take up your entire yard. An air pump is included, and it can inflate the pool in a quick 3 minutes via double valves. 2 in-floor drains make it easy to empty when playtime is over. The durability of its Thalate, lead, and BPA-free extra-thick PVC is strong enough to last through years of enjoyment, but keep in mind that like anything inflatable, punctures and leaks can happen if the in-pool rough housing gets too rough. In preparation for this eventuality, because we all know how kids are, the company has included 3 repair patches. You won't be doing laps in it, but this is a great pool for the family to cool off in on a hot day. Number 5. Intex Easy Set Inflatable Pool. Inflatable pools are easy to set up, have soft edges that are safer for families, and may have a preferable aesthetic to a metal-framed model. If that's what you're looking for, this straightforward inflatable pool from Intex is perfect as it includes everything you need for a complete setup: pool, 1,500 gallon per hour pump, filters, ladder, pool cover, and ground cover. The diameter is large enough that you have room to swim around a bit, and it takes about half an hour for 2 to 3 people to construct it with no tools required. It's as durable as inflatable pools, but remember that this type of pool can develop pinhole leaks over time that may require patching. And while the setup is easy, another thing to consider is that inflatable pools must be placed on level ground, otherwise, they spill over and turn your lawn into a swamp. So be sure to level and clear the location carefully, then pack down the ground to ensure the pool won't sink and tilt. Number 6. Bestway Power Steel AboveGround Pool Set. Most above-ground pools have frames, so maybe it's more accurate to say this is our favorite frame. First of all, it's very easy for 2 or 3 people to build in about an hour, and it's just as easy to take down once the season's over. But a seemingly small detail that makes this frame stand out is its curved corners. This makes it that much easier to fit into a small or landscaped yard and reduces the amount of water required without reducing the circumference. Its 2,127 gallon capacity is significantly less than most pools of similar dimensions. It also comes with most essentials, including a ladder, pump, filter, and chemical distributor. No pool cover is included, but nothing's perfect. The site installation required isn't quite as extensive as many other above-ground pools, but you'll still want to be sure it's on a level, clear surface, ideally that's been packed down for stability. All of the materials are highly durable and the components are well built, so you can expect it to last for many years. Number 7. Intex Ultra XTR Frame Above-Ground Pool with Saltwater System. The main benefit of a saltwater above-ground pool involves the reduced need for chemicals. The pool's saltwater system will convert normal salt into a healthier form of chlorine, minimizing the need for chemical additives. Less chlorine and chemicals is a plus for many reasons, especially if you have sensitive skin. This saltwater pool from Intex delivers easy setup and solid durability, along with its saltwater system, which will reliably keep your pool clean with minimal chemicals. The pool itself is rust-resistant and it comes with all the key accessories, including a 2,100 gallon per hour pump. It's important to mention that it's a big pool. That's great in terms of having plenty of room for fun, but it does mean that it requires more space and that its location needs to be well prepared. Once it's in place, however, there's a lot of pool to love. This type of pool is pricier than most, but the benefits of a big saltwater pool don't come cheap.